Hey, this is James with websitesforfunandprofit.com, and today I wanted to show you how to create a custom menu bar for your WordPress website. By default, the WordPress website WordPress itself will put all the pages that you create in the menu bar. But for me, I found that I don't always like having every page that I create in a menu bar, because say I have a page that I don't want anybody to see, maybe it's a private page. I know you can set it private, but I don't want that little private tag up at the top. Maybe I just want it for a specific thing, maybe a landing page, something like that, that I have only for specific people. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go into WordPress, into our demo site, and create a custom menu bar and show you some of the little nuances about creating that. So let's just jump right into it.
Okay, so we are on the demo site at demo.websitesforfunandprofit.com if you want to check it out. Well, and we're looking at just a standard install of WordPress, and what I've done here is just made some test posts, some test pages, and they're going to serve as our little template so I can show you how to do the menu bar. And what you'll see right now is about midway through the page here, you're going to see the menu bar that is pre-set up by WordPress. This is a default install. And what happens is anytime you create a page, it will actually put that page in the menu bar. So if you're in your WordPress dashboard, you make a page, it's automatically going to post there. Well, there's a couple situations where you may not want to do that. Let's say you're making a page specific. Let's say you're making a landing page specific for something, and you want people to be able to go to that landing page and maybe put in an email address or something like that. But you don't necessarily want it in your menu bar. There's a couple ways to customize that. Or let's say you have an archive of or a certain post that you want to put in the menu bar, and have that accessible always from that menu bar, so when people come to your site, they see it and have a tendency to click on things on the menu bar. That's a couple of the reasons you would want to customize the menu bar. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to just click this next tab, and we're going to jump over to the WordPress dashboard. And this is just a standard, the standard dashboard on the demo site. And what you want to do is look over in this left column, and you'll see right down here in the center, or one of the middle ones, you'll see something that says Appearance. And then you're going to see an option for menus. So we're going to go ahead and click on that menus option. And I've actually already started to do a menu. So let's do test menu 1. So we're going to title our menu, and then what we're going to do, I think we should save that actually. So we've got test menu 1 already set up. So that one's been updated. Now what we want to do is we want to go over to the side, and we want to decide what we want to put in our menu. You'll see here you've got most recent under pages. And then you've got something that says view all. And then you've got categories. You can put specific categories in that menu. And then you can search for certain things and add them to the menu. Or you can put a customized link into a menu. Imagine what you could do there. So let's say we're going to add the home page to the menu bar, add the about page, and add the test page, but we don't want the sample page. Essentially, you just click on what you want, select add to menu. It puts it in that menu bar. You can rearrange and reorder it however you want. So I can take this and move it, the about page, and move it up above the home section, and it drops it down. The test page, I could actually take the test page and move it, and you see how it, when I move it a little bit up towards that about, it kind of jumps over to the right. That's actually going to put it as a sub page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just to kind of show you what that is. But you'll get the gist of moving it around, and you can customize it however you want. So once you do that, and once you get the pages in order, whichever way you would like them to be, you select Save Menu, and that's going to save it. And then what you want to do over here is you've got your primary menu. If it's blank, it's just going to be the standard. So when you create a page, it's going to automatically put it in that menu bar. But if you select something like the test menu, select Save, now this is our main menu. So if we click the tab back over, you'll see here it still looks the same. We're going to actually refresh the page, and now it's changed. And you'll see our home menu is here, our about menu is here, and look under here, we've got that test page. So when we click on it, it brings it up to our test page, the about page, and then if you select home, it takes you back home. And that's how you would customize the menu. It's really, really simple once you get into it, and then you can create any pages. Let me show you one more thing. Actually, I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to create test page 2. Just put some text there, and I'm going to select publish, and now I've published that page. But when I jump back over to the demo site, if I select refresh, it still doesn't show up. So whenever you create a page, once you have created a custom menu, if you're expecting that page to show up, it will not show up. So you will actually have to go back into your appearance menu and select menus, and then you will have to select the page that you had created, add it to a menu, and then move it in, select save, and then when we go back and refresh it, it will show up there as test page 2. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you create a custom menu bar for your WordPress website. Some themes will actually let you have 2 menu bars. You're going to have one under, and sometimes you'll see one over. They'll usually be top menu bar and primary menu bar, or whatever the theme creator chooses to name them. But either way, it's the same process for all of them. Again, I'm James. This is websitesforfunandprofit.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or shoot me an email. Thanks, and have a great day.